The exterior of your home is not only the first thing people see, but also acts as a protective shield against the elements. Over time, exposure to sun, rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations can take a toll on the paint and wooden surfaces of your home. Knowing when it's time to invest in exterior painting and carpentry repair is crucial to maintain the aesthetics, structural integrity, and value of your property. In this video, we will explore the signs that indicate the need for exterior painting and carpentry repair, along with the benefits of timely intervention. If you notice peeling, chipping, or fading paint on the exterior of your home, it's a clear indication that it's time for a fresh coat. Paint serves as a protective layer, shield the underlying wood from moisture, UV rays, and other environmental factors. When the paint starts to deterioration, it compromises the wood's integrity, leading to potential damages. Investing in exterior painting will not only restore the visual appeal of your home, but also provide essential protection against the elements. Wooden surfaces such as sidings, trim, and decks are susceptible to cracks and rot due to exposure to moisture, insects, and age. Cracked wood can compromise the structural integrity of your home, while rotting wood poses a serious threat. If you notice signs of cracking or rot, it's essential to invest in carpentry repair. Skilled professionals can repair or replace damaged sections, ensuring the stability and longevity of your exterior woodwork. The presence of mold and mildew on the exterior surface of your home not only detracts from its appearance, but can also cause health issues. Moisture buildup and poor ventilation can lead to mold and mildew growth, especially in shaded or damp areas. Remove mold and mildew and protect your home from further damage. Investing in exterior painting and carpentry repair is essential to maintain the beauty, integrity, and value of your home. By addressing signs of peeling paint, cracked or rotting wood, mold and mildew growth, you can determine when it's time to take action. Consulting professional painters and carpenters will ensure that the repairs and painting are done efficiently, providing your home with the necessary protection and an attractive appearance. Remember, timely intervention will not only enhance the longevity of your exterior surfaces, but will also make a lasting impression on visitors and a home you can be proud of for years to come.